Tesla now aims to produce its new batteries in-house. The company has revealed plans to develop tabless batteries that could improve an electric car's power and range. Tesla CEO, Elon Musk predicts that this will help to reduce costs and allow the company to eventually sell electric vehicles for the same price as gasoline-powered ones. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. The tabless battery is expected to lower Tesla's cost per kilowatt-hour, the unit of energy most commonly used to measure the capacity of the battery packs in modern electric vehicles. Many experts believe that reducing these costs would allow Tesla to significantly lower the price of its cars, making them a lot more accessible. The news of the new battery was announced during the company's much-talked-about Battery Day event in Palo Alto, California. Musk said Tesla achieved this breakthrough by removing the tab, a part of the battery that forms a connection between the cell and what it is powering. These new tabless cells, Tesla calls 4860 cells, will give the company's EV batteries 5 times more energy capacity, make them 6 times more powerful, and enable a 16% range increase for Tesla's vehicles. The new cells are bigger than Tesla's current cells, measuring 46 mm by 80 mm, thus the name 4680. In addition to more energy and power, the new cells will result in a 14% reduction in cost per kilowatt-hour at the cell form factor level only, Musk said. Tesla's new cell manufacturing system is close to working at the pilot plant level. Like most car companies, Tesla currently sources its batteries from major producers, so it can focus on its principal mission: building electric cars. The company's 2,170 cells, which are now used in Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, are produced in Nevada by Panasonic at Tesla's Gigafactory. But those supplies have recently faced a challenge. In 2018, there was a shortage of cells at Panasonic. Added to Tesla's production hell was just as it began ramping up its big push to make the Model 3. Musk has disparaged Panasonic's pace of battery production as limiting the Model 3 and the Model Y. Also, Panasonic CEO Kazuhiro Tsuga has predicted that its batteries will run out if Tesla continues to expand its business. Musk's announced that Tesla will begin manufacturing its batteries to assuage those bottlenecks. The decision to switch to in-house battery production has been telegraphed by recent acquisitions, leaked photos, patent applications, and research published by Jeff Dahn, one of the pioneering developers of the lithium-ion battery, and Tesla's head of battery research. To achieve the tabless batteries, Tesla took the existing foils and laser patterned them, and enabled dozens of connections into the active material through a shingled spiral. That new design means simpler manufacturing, fewer parts, and a shorter electrical path length, which is how Tesla gets the thermal benefits it claims. It is claimed that cylindricals get rid of the tabs dramatically to simplify winding and coating, leaving an awesome thermal and performance benefit. According to Musk, by reducing the travel distance of the electrons, the cell has fewer thermal issues and a shorter path length in a larger tabless cell. He also explained that though the cell is bigger, the power-to-weight ratio is better than a smaller cell with tabs. The tabless battery is the first of several steps that the company is taking to improve energy storage, on its quest to move the world closer to renewable energy. However, Tesla won't stop purchasing those batteries anytime soon. Just before Battery Day, Musk tweeted that the company would continue to use batteries supplied by Panasonic, China's CATL, South Korea's LG Chem, and others. It is also speculated that Tesla would likely buy more batteries from its suppliers than normal. What do you think about Tesla and its tabless battery? When do you think it will be globally introduced? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.